Dazers. Today is the naming ceremony of Hafsid. Hafsid is Adnan and Hawa's daughter. If you guys remember Adnan and Hawa's wedding from last year, alhamdulillah, they've been blessed with a beautiful little girl, and today's the naming ceremony, and I am making wache or wake. That's basically rice and beans with baking soda. Basically the baking soda changed the color and the flavor, just that with salt and water. So that's my biggest pot. This is my feed the world pot, and this is my feed the village pot. And I'm gonna, so these two are done now. I'm gonna put them in the cooler right there, and then I'm gonna get ready to use the other pot. That's my feed the country pot, and this is feed the world pot. This is feed the village pot. So yeah, it sounds crazy, but it helps me know how much I need to cook for certain events. So these two are done. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer those in the cooler and get started on the next one, inshallah. Alright, assalamu alaikum. We're going down. Hawa, here, say hey, Dazers. Lady in white. And here's our princess. Yay! Where are the twins? Hello. Say hi, Amina.
No.
Say hi. Say hi. Ah!
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi.
I'm here.
I want to be in the YouTube channel.
Follow her. Follow her. Shia, go to my room and give me some slippers for her. You want to go take her?
Mommy, say hi.
Suleiman. Suleiman. Take him to the phone.
Mommy, say hi. Say hi.
Shia.
Hi, Hamdi'sDaze. Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe and like the bell. You're weird.
I have to go over there.
Ring the bell.
Hamdi'sDaze, subscribe to the channel. It's Kumba. Miss Hamdia, please, give me a shout out. Let me win the giveaway. Give me a shout out to me. Please. I do.
Say hi. Say hi, Sama.
It's for Hamdia. Subscribe to the channel. She has to, that one over there.
Wait, hold on. Let me make sure. Rashida, don't take.
Lima. Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, Auntie.
Oh, hi. What are you doing? I'm checking out heavy it is. You didn't even notice it. I'm putting it back. She's a baby.
She's knocked out.
Knocked out. You should go. Bring her in.
Layla. Hey. Kalima. Kalima. Hi, Daze. Subscribe. Y'all better subscribe. Y'all better subscribe. Subscribe.
Abdul Melido, but
Hi, mommy. I need to buy Hamdi'sDaze. Let me see. Oops. Hey, Daze. Hi. Hey, Daze. Hi. Hey, Daze. Hey, come on.
Hi, Miriam. Hi.
Hi, don't like you. Hi. Hi.
Subscribe.
Adnan.
What's up, man? I'm gonna put on my house up. You like that? Or
No. Hawa. Hawa.
Let's go.
You know what I was in charge with was dishing the food. I wasn't in charge of serving the food. So wallahi, I don't know where the food are. So when they told me, I said, you guys can go downstairs and go ask. Mommy and Fatty will be the best people to ask. And they keep saying they're hungry, they're hungry.
And they were still.
Yeah. It's like, I don't know what else to do. I'm looking for my babies, wallahi. I don't know where they are.
I just want to go home. No, yellow.
You want me yellow?
If they Allah give me power to stop corona, I would just use it to go rob a bank.
What?
You do what?
Use it to go rob a bank.
Rubber bank?
Yes.
Oh my god. You know what I mean?
Power is power. Use the power wisely.
Are you good now? Because she's starting to play with it.
Yeah, I hate when she does
Are
that.
you good now? With your small mouth like that. Oh, her mouth is so white.
But when light is so better.
The thrush like affected her so bad.
Oh, she has.
Oh, just put the same cream on her, put it on you.
Oh, okay.
Or put it on my nipples, and then wipe it out every time she's about to eat. What's that food? Open your dick.
Where's Kumajo?
Oh, you brought them food?
Yeah.
Put it here.
Yes, I just thought she tried to be nice.
All right, I think I'm done.
I don't care, man. I really don't.
Hold on.
You, whose car was it?
Some lady. It's not some lady. It's a Honda.
Yeah, you know, Puma got mental problems.
Yeah.
Yeah, like she left everybody downstairs to come to us.
Well, she's walking me over. Yeah, so.
Her mom is downstairs. She came out of her mom. She's familiar with her.
Look at yourself in the mirror.
It's
It's
so
cute to you
nice.
guys?
Yes.
It's cute to you guys?
What thing?
Well, that is not cute. Good thing I didn't use my money for this.
What is that? The jalabia?
The Agbada. Agbada.
No,
It's cute. One line is cute. Me too. It's cute. Especially the design.
How it's really nice.
I feel like a man.
It looks very Ghanaian, Nigerian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't look
But
Senegalese.
mine looks Senegalese though. I don't like it.
Really?
But you know how Ghana.
Oh yeah, now that's true.
Wait, who sold yours for you?
Her mom.
Wow, that's whoever sold it is good.
Yeah.
That is what I thought. They didn't even know my measurement.
Yeah.
They just
Really?
told me,
Oh
wallahi. It
wow.
came out perfectly.
It
Whoever
did.
sold you is good.
I love it. All right, I got some pictures.
Okay, great.
You guys go.
It was too good.
What you got there? Hey,
Look at the kitchen.
be careful. Hey, Hawa.
You know where you put the knife?
Where?
On the windowsill. He said,
Ew.
don't tell nobody.
Yeah, you gotta rinse it. Yeah.
My what is called? Hey, you have a dress.
Say wallahi. These kids. Allah, what is shaking? Oh my God.
I saw it.
Move back. It's probably you. My shirt. Move.
What are you moving? He's moving his imagination. He's helping you guys.
My shirt, move out of the way.
What are we gonna do? Someday, what is the plan?
My shirt, I choose the other two.
Masu, was that you?
He's gonna tell you wasn't him.
Here, Miss Sue, another one.
Why is he grabbing?
Is that? I'm some girl. Me not plan now.
See a picture. Look at me, Zana.
So I'm gonna do it.
Why you in the back like that?
I know she's photobombing.
Takbir.
Over there.
You just want pictures.
Okay, Kijela. Oh, it's okay.
Smokies?
Look, some of the cake and go so good.
Those who are married, may Allah put barakah in our marriage. Those who are not married, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bring husbands. May Allah keep all of us safe. Mashallah. But the final advice is, because of the coronavirus, we are advising everybody, when you do your salat, recite Ayatul Kursi, Salatul Fajr, Ayatul Kursi, Salatul Zuhr, Ayatul Kursi, Salatul Asr, Ayatul Kursi, Salatul Maghrib, Ayatul Kursi, Salatul Isha, Ayatul Kursi. That's the only way to do this coronavirus.
Yeah, let's try.